Do send Enerbility EHS Academy for global construction sites. 23. Non-destructive testing for the weld integrity of concrete pump truck connection joints. Review management standards. For all concrete pump trucks, confirm and inspect non-destructive testing of boom arm welds before deployment. The testing validity period is within 6 months from the date of site deployment. Always do a pre-use inspection. Test the boom's hydraulic function, check for oil leaks, and perform MT inspection on hard-to-see curved welds to ensure integrity. Now, let's look at some accident cases and the NDT management plan. Accident cases involved a connection joint fracturing during concrete pouring and a boom arm failure also during pouring, both causing worker fatalities. Please refer to the NDT management plan displayed on the screen for details. For non-destructive testing of concrete pump truck weld integrity, you must remember this. Before site deployment, confirm non-destructive testing of concrete pump boom welds. Always inspect the boom's hydraulic function, check for oil leaks, and perform an MT check on curved welds to ensure equipment integrity.